Hi, my name is Parvin Satia, and today we are going to talk about our product lemak in a minute. So let's dive into lemak in a minute, your go-to solution for instant, authentic nasi lemak. We cater to busy students, workers, and travelers who crave traditional Malaysian flavors without the wait. With a projected first year revenue of 270,000, we are bridging the gap between convenience and culture. Our mission: delivering halal, delicious nasi lemak in minutes. Malaysians love nasi lemak, but finding a ready-to-eat, authentic version is surprisingly hard. Current options are either time-consuming or lack quality. Lemak in a minute solves this by offering a microwave-ready packet that tastes like homemade anytime, anywhere. Whether you are rushing to class or meeting, we've got your back. This isn't just food, it's a taste of home simplified. Today, we are seeking 246,889 ringgit loan from Bank Islam to launch Lemak in a minute. This plan isn't just about funding, it's a roadmap. We will show you our financial viability, operational strategy, and how we will turn this idea into a thriving business. Every ringgit invested will go toward equipment, marketing, scaling to meet Malaysia's growing demand for convenient halal meals. Lemak in a Minute is a partnership based in Bukit Mertajam, Penang, founded by three passionate individuals, which are Parvin Muthukumaran with 3 years of business experience, and me myself, Parvin Satia, brings IT expertise, and my friend Maniarasan Anbananthan handles mechanical operations. Together, we've pooled 9,000 in capital and share one goal: making authentic nasi lemak accessible to all without compromise. Let's meet the team behind the idea. Me, Parvin Satia, who ensures our digital platforms run smoothly. The second, Maniarasan Anbananthan, who is talented in mechanical skills, who will optimize production efficiency. And then here comes Parvin Muthukumaran, who is a business who is a person with 3 years of business experience, drives strategy and growth. Our combined strengths cover every critical aspects, from tech to operations to finance, making us a well-rounded team ready to execute this vision. That's all from me. My friend Maniarasan will continue from here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Maniarasan Anbananthan, and my metric card number is 10 DKM 22F2005. Now, let's look at the financial highlights. I will continue from what my friend left. So our total startup cost is 177,251, which includes equipment, operations, marketing, and pre-launch expenses. We are applying a loan for 167,158 from Bank Islam to support this startup. And in year one, we project 270,000 in sales based on selling 3,000 units monthly, which is 7 ringgit each. However, our break-even sales figure is 529,965. So, which means we must either increase our volume or revise our pricing to become profitable. This plan includes strategies to close the gap within the first year. Thank you. Here's our project timeline for launching the business. In week 1, we will register and officially set up our partnership business. By week 2, we will finalize our logo and start teasing the product on social media like TikTok. From week 3 to week 12, we will actively promote, collect orders, and deliver to customers. This paced rollout ensures early brand visibility while giving us time to refine operations. Thank you. In conclusion, Lemma in a Minute is designed to bring Malaysia's favorite dish, nasi lemak, to the fast-paced modern lifestyle. We offer convenience, authenticity, and affordability in one Ziploc pouch. Our team is fully committed, and we believe this product can make a real impact in the growing, ready-to-eat halal market. We are seeking funding to take this from plan to reality, and we are confident in its potential for success. Thank you. Thank you for your attention and support. If you have any questions, we are happy to answer them. You can also reach us at lemmainaminute@gmail.com or call us at 011-317-57726. We appreciate the opportunity to share our vision with you. Thank you very much.